Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade toner. First, let's explore why making your own toner is a fantastic idea for your skincare routine. You'll discover the many benefits, from using natural ingredients to saving money. It's a simple way to take control of what you put on your skin, ensuring freshness and effectiveness. Get ready to learn an easy method for a glowing complexion. Now let's dive into a super simple recipe. You'll need just two main ingredients, 1/2 cup of pure rose water and 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Gently combine these in a clean, sealable bottle. Shake it well to ensure everything is thoroughly mixed. This basic formula is hydrating and soothing, perfect for most skin types, and incredibly easy to prepare at home. Want to tailor your toner? For oily skin, consider adding a splash of witch hazel. If your skin is on the drier side, a bit of aloe vera gel can provide extra soothing hydration. You can also include a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a lovely scent. Always remember to do a patch test when introducing new ingredients to ensure compatibility. Using your homemade toner is easy. After cleansing your face, simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your skin. Use it twice daily for best results. To keep your toner fresh, store it in the refrigerator. It's best to use it within 2 weeks, especially if not refrigerated, to maintain its potency and prevent spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.